Remove the trunk brightener first. Replacement of the original camera bracket. Unplug the two left side plugs. When we loaded it, this camera's gonna unscrew. And then this plug must not be unplugged. Remove the two screws. Use your hand to hold the outside of the gear brace. Easy to unscrew the screws. We now have this original camera removed. I'm now going to replace this original bracket on my car. Pry on both side clips. You can pinch two of those clips in there. And then the backboard goes in. Streaming rearview mirror specialized holder and camera. Then fix it in this position. Set up the camera. Apply the waterproof tape. Replace the original carabiner. The wires should snap into this groove. Spray lubricant for easy camera installation. Install the screws and plug in the original wires. You can't turn the camera when it's stuck in, or it'll be blurry. Now we need to plug the two wires together. Then through the back to where the glass is in the front. Right side roof alignment to a pillar. Here's the line we brought in from the back. While cocking, pull the shell downward. Mid-side hook removal. Use this adjustable wrench to turn it counterclockwise this way. I've already taken this mirror off. Unplug this back here. Crack him open with a thin warping board. For the convenience of threading, the top of this one is slightly open. Mid-side hook removal. Original bracket for the car. This is our product. This screw comes off. Put this barb on the one we have here. Above the bracket on the product. Put this original cigarette lighter plug in. This end goes in the cigarette lighter. Air conditioning vent. Translating and plugging in the original signal cable. Pickup alignment pass. Twist up counterclockwise. Plug in the power supply, video transmission cable. Just put it on the roof.